The future of work is of course freelancing. Now we are not saying that the data predicts so and you want to get into it. If you're just starting out as a freelancer, you would want to get started in the right way in your career path, right? That generates the highest income. Hence we'll be discussing the top paying freelancing job to start your career. Hello everyone, my name is Faz and I'm the founder of Inshan Corporation and you're watching the most demanding jobs in freelancing world. Just because a skill has higher demand or pays bill than others doesn't necessarily mean it's a good path to follow for you. There's a reason why some writers get $5 a gig and some writers get $100 a gig. Getting paid well depends on the skill level, experience and the quality of work that you provide. Having said that, this video will show you the most demanding jobs in the freelancing space. The first one is software development. It's a skill that's quite difficult to master and there aren't any good coders out there. So the demand of good coders is pretty high. Of course, you won't be able to start charging thousands of dollars in the starting stage, but that's a very long picture. If you have solid skills in programming language like iOS and WebGL, you could start charging somewhere around $150 per gig. According to recent Upwork survey, this section has the highest demand. Most developers usually earn more than $200 per hour. Now the second one on the list is social media marketing. In a surprise turns of event, a new skill is born: social media marketing. The skill ranked at the third place of Upwork of quadrant 2 to 19 growing skill. If your skill is creating video content, optimizing them for SEO and capturing with new ideas and marketing strategy, then this skill will help you bring many gigs. And the third one in the list is web design and web development. According to an Upwork statistics report, the website development is the most demanding skill in 2015. There is great demand for web development, but it's worth noting that the freelance web development space is pretty crowded right now because of the highest demand. The best strategy would be to find a niche in your field and stick to it. You will probably be able to earn more if you provide the right assistance to the right client. Now the fourth one in the list is content marketing or writing. Thanks to the boom in the online marketing trends and the development of new methodologies like inbound marketing, email marketing, content marketing is considered to be one of the hottest field in freelancing, and you don't have to go anywhere to prove your skills. You just have to showcase your sets to them. Although not everyone can be a skilled writer, you need to write a lot, read a lot, and more importantly, you will need a creative mind to read amazing articles that people are ready to pay. Your master's degree in literature and A+ in essays in college won't do any good in this starting stage of freelancing. Now the fifth one in the list is graphic designing. Graphic designing listed on number 2 in Upwork's most demanded, and if you look at the top freelancing in the category of graphic designing, you will see some designer who make up to $85 per hour, and infographic design, logo design, poster design are all in high demand. Becoming a quality designer is not that easy. You will have to develop an eye for the design. Now the sixth one in the list is copywriting. Copywriters are different from content marketers and writers. These freelancers specializes in writing content for website pages, description, product description, or product services, etc. The charges of copywriters depends on their skill set and experience. Some charge as high as $250 per hour. Now the seventh and the last one in the list is editors. Freelance editors in US earns around $72,000 per year, while more experienced video editor makes around $122,000 per year. The demand for video editors saw a rise in the last few years thanks to YouTube and Facebook kind of videos. If you're good at putting together clips and making a story out of it, this might be a good career for you. Having said that, you should pursue what you wanted to do, what you love to do, and do not simply follow the top paying jobs and do one that pays the most. Now that being said, this brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and comment down below if you have anything to say and we will check it out. Also, to join our Discord server, the link is in the description below. Basically, it's a gig aggregator where we try to aggregate all the kind of gigs from different platforms and make it available to you in a single place so that you can start your freelancing journey. And it's a very beautiful community, freelancing community that we are trying to build. So you are welcome, you are most welcome to check it out. That's it from my side, guys. Thank you so much and have a great day.